We are out here in the there's people on the sidewalk in the hectic snowfall of 26. Crazy snowfall. The temperature's reading -12, but that is not the issue here. The issue is that snow has been falling from like 6 this morning, and right now is like 8 p.m. So it has been a crazy amount of snow coming down. Gotta watch for people and all kinds of things. This is my first time being on the roads, other than shoveling tons of snow all day today. Well, just 2 rounds, but it's a ton of snow. And yeah, nothing crazy going on here. I'm just gonna fill up some gas and do what I gotta do. Pay attention to blinking lights and whatnot. Snowplow, I guess. Let them take the way for sure. But yeah, I know it's a solid layer of snow out here. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna be passing them. Am I now? I don't even know where the lane is. Nobody knows where the lane is. I think we just gotta chill behind these guys. This is hilarious. Yeah, drop a comment. Let me know if you've been through snow like this. Yeah, this guy's gotta widen these lanes for sure. And it's getting so high that it's like, where do you shovel it and put it? The snowbanks are super high. To me, because people are walking on the road, I'm sure that the sidewalks are not clear. And it's a Sunday, so I mean, the inside streets are not plowed. And we just gotta make do. We'll see how it plays out for Monday. Should be okay. I mean, if these are the roads, this is not bad. Not bad at all. This guy's just in the middle. Chilling out in the middle of the lane. Making it a 1-lane road. Okay, buddy. Awesome, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna make a gas station stop. Take it slow. Definitely feel some ABS kicking in, which is cool to know it's working. But just a super chill kind of drive. And you leave space for these guys. Leave some space for the plows. Yeah, it wasn't too hard getting out of my own side street. It was a bit thick, and my only worry is that the car, the front lip, it's not a low, I'm not lowered or anything. And the car's not super low, but it's definitely lower than most cars. So my thing is only tackling those like high banks of snow straight on. Don't want to put too much tension on that front lip, front bumper. So that's the only thing with snow here. The car's not lowered, it just is a lower type of a car. Lower than most. And you can tell when you get in and out, people who are not used to it. It's almost like an exercise for them. Yeah, I'll pull up beside this guy, he's cool. And get my gas. Get my gas. So far, 450 kilometers on this tank of gas, and I got 3 bars left. So we're doing good. How much range does it say left? 149. I like a full tank. I start looking to fill up my gas even before, like around halfway. Am I crazy? Am I OCD for doing that? When do you fill up your tank of gas? And what kind of gas do you put in your car? Lowest you can go in this car is 89. Sometimes put 91. I've been putting 91 lately. I'll put 91 again. Check the gas mileage, see if it makes a difference. Big tractor plow action going on. Tractor 140. Plow 140. Doing good work out here. But it's solid air, so it's gonna be slippery. And minus 12, it's only gonna get colder overnight. So don't think this snow's gonna clear out by the morning. I don't think so. So we'll see how the roads are in the morning. Have a nice safe commute. So we are at the petrol station, and I am putting my gloves on for this. Full show putting gloves on for this. All right. It's gonna reach.
Let's do a receipt. Filled up and good to go. Oh, you're coming in here now. You're good.
Slippery out here. Winter tires do make a difference, and as much as they make a difference, it is still crazy slippery out here. It's like, what? Like, Seriously, can't imagine being on all seasons or even summers. Must be crazy. But it is what it is, and you gotta make do. Yeah, like this guy's coming to stop and it's like all over the place. I don't even think he's in a lane. I don't want to pull up beside this guy. Wonder if anywhere is open right now, let alone see what tomorrow looks like. Like a good old snow day, man. Snow days are sick. When we used to have snow days as kids, it was like the best. Like, you get a free day, like, yo, you cannot go wrong with a free day. And it's like being super excited for school to be canceled. It's not even like a PA day or like one of those off days in the schedule. The fact that it's spontaneous. And I was never those kids. I don't know how you could be ever bored. Like, if I had a snow day like that, man, there'd be so many things on my agenda. I'd be ready to go. Snacks, daytime television. Like, it's just the best. And it's spontaneous. Like, you're gonna do anything that you want to on the spot with what you have. Mostly TV and PlayStation, but still, super fun. And as adults, we should get snow days too. Blah, blah, blah economy. But yeah, no, snow days are sick. But actually, this looks pretty clear for what the snow's been. It's pretty let up. The snow's let up quite a bit at this point. Yo, this guy's in his 350Z out here in the snow. That's wild. If the 350 can do it, if the 350 can do it, yo, what's holding anybody back? So that's stuff like here. Let's see how high this stuff is. Man, they're just clearing all this snow.